Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use Caption Pro to automatically rename your images based on who is in them thanks to facial recognition. So what you're going to want to do is have Caption Pro set up with a project containing all the images that you'd like to rename. And as you can see here, we're using images where the software already knows who the person is in the image because they're celebrities, and Caption Pro uses a global database of well-known individuals, and so these people are already identified by the software. If you're using images of people who the software doesn't already know, then you'll just need to name them manually by having the face box selected and hit add person. That's going to then save that individual with that particular face saved as a reference image in your local database. So they'll then be recognized in all the relevant images in that project and in future projects going forward. So if you're doing this with people who you shoot regularly, you can have your database primed and set up ready to go. Or if a person features multiple times in your project, once you've done it once, they'll be identified in all the images of that project. Then when it comes to having this information applied automatically to the file name, you just have all your images selected, hit E for export, and the default file name is going to be the current version name. And we're going to want to change that, but we'll delete it for now, hit equals, and then select people formula. Now this is going to be pasting the names of the people automatically into the file name, and we're going to uncheck prefix and postfix because I don't think that's relevant necessarily for this particular project. And then we can see that our images are now going to be renamed based on who is in them. If you have multiple people, multiple images of the same person, then this will be renamed with a say 1, 2, 3 in brackets after the name, or you can create your own sequence by hitting equals and hitting the sequence formula as well, and that will be added after the file name. But for the time being, we'll just leave it as it is. And then upon export, you will see that those thumbnails have now moved into the exported tab. And if you look at our folder of exported images, you can see that they've now been renamed based on who is in the image. And that's done super quickly. You don't need to go around doing that manually on any of those images as long as they've already been identified by the software. So have those people added to your personal database, and this will be an absolute breeze. If you need any help at all, then don't hesitate to get in touch via the in-app chat up in the top right hand corner, and I'll be on hand to answer any questions that you've got.